guys, welcome back to Diamonds, Reviews, and Things. If you read today's video, me and my boyfriend here is going to be doing a video on our new Cup It air fryer that we got. My boyfriend is literally a chef and he is amazing at cooking. He cooks so well. So he is gonna help me with this video because a lot of this stuff is his recipe basically. He is gonna help me and y'all how to cook fried chicken wings in the air fryer. So you guys, the very first thing you wanna do is wash your hands. So we gonna do that right now. All right, you guys, so let's get started. First thing you wanna do actually is wash your chicken off. Okay, rinse it in cold water. We have our chicken in the sink. We clean our sink out, clean it out, rinse your meat off, and then you wanna pat it dry. So I'll pat the chicken dry. All right, so what we did is we just laid the chicken out just like this. You're basically gonna take a paper towel and you're gonna pat it dry because it will help with the seasoning. It will help the seasoning stick better and it won't make your chicken wet.
So first you wanna beat up the eggs. So go straight into the egg.
Okay, so after you beat up the eggs and put the chicken in there, now what?
So get your bag, add some flour to it. About a cup of flour, depending on how many chicken wings you're doing. So take your seasonings and add about, I don't know,
To taste.
Yep, to taste. So
We actually really love this stuff. I don't know where you guys are from, but we get it from Kroger. I know Kroger's is also called Fry's down in like Arizona-ish area, but Kickin' Chicken if you guys can find it. So this you can actually get from the Dollar Tree. And it's really good. There's no salt. So then we use garlic powder. And then this is onion powder. You could do seasoned salt, Himalayan salt, Lawry's salt. I like to save money because I shop at Aldi, so I just do seasoned salt. It works the same. And then you're gonna salt. He don't think so. He don't think it works the same. I kind of think it works the same.
Lawry's is a lot different, but
I think it still tastes good. One thing he taught me is that you want to cook with all powders, like onion powder, garlic powder, salt-free stuff. And you don't want to salt anything until like after. Like after, then you can sprinkle a little Himalayan. We always use Himalayan salt. A little on there if you need salt. But other than that, you want to use powders.
So we season the flour and we also season the chicken.
So we do both because you need to have the meat tasting good too. And again, like we said, all of this is to taste. So depending on how you like stuff, how seasoned you like your stuff, it all depends on what you want to put in there yourself. But, you know, we like some good seasoned chicken, bomb chicken at that. All right, you guys, so once you have seasoned all of it, you make sure it's all fully coated, and now we can place it in the air fryer. All right, so just open it up, and I just want to show how this works. So basically, in order to take this out, this whole thing is non-stick, and the best thing about the air fryer is there's literally no preheating, so you just put your stuff in there and get going. So to take this out, you just move this up, and then there's a button in the middle, and you lift it out. So, and it's so cool. So to put it back, you have to press the button again to put it in, and then
it locks right in.
It locks right in. So you're gonna lay them in there. Make sure they're not like overlapping, just so it like all cooks evenly. So your air fryer should look just like this. Now, go ahead and close it up. Look at that, that's so cool. Okay, turn it on. Now, there are so many things you can cook in this thing. You can cook fries. I think that's bacon, that's fish. What is that, shrimp?
Shrimp.
Onions. What is that, a turkey? A muffin, chicken. There is so many functions on here. So since we're cooking chicken wings, all you do is hit chicken and you start it. Booyah! We're gonna let this go half time, so it's about 40 minutes, so probably about 20 minutes. We're going to end up spraying some cooking spray. You can use Pam, whatever it is, really doesn't matter. And that is gonna help get the chicken crunchy. So we just want to say shout out to Cup It for sending me this air fryer. We've used it a couple times and we've been trying to perfect it and stuff, and well, he's been trying to perfect it and get it just right. We learning, but we got it. I am so excited for you guys to see how this is gonna taste. Well, see how it's gonna look, but I mean, we gonna see how it's gonna taste, but it's still gonna be freaking amazing. So we'll be back. All right, you guys, so it's about 29 minutes and we're gonna go ahead and stop it and we're gonna see what it's looking like. Ooh.
Right, it's starting to crisp up.
Yeah, it is. So we're going to, my dad actually told me about this, which I thought was a good idea. You lightly spray the chicken with Pam or whatever, like I mentioned before, and that's what makes it crispy. So we're trying that, and oh, that already like made it look so much better. It like took the flour right away. Yep, flip them, and then you're gonna spray the other side. You still want to keep an eye on this, like every 10 minutes check it, because depending on how big or small each wing is, one wing might get done faster than the others. So you do still kind of want to check on it like every 10 minutes and make sure that nothing's burning. But other than that, this thing is like amazing. I also love the fact that it is healthier. You know, we're not standing over a stove frying and things like that. It's way healthier for you, and you're not, the maintenance of it, you're not worrying about doing everything. The machine literally does it for you. So, and I also love that it just matches our kitchen. You know what I mean? It matches our kitchen. It's black and rose gold. It's amazing. That looks so good, babe. That looks amazing. Okay, go ahead. There we go.
In about 15 minutes, 20 more minutes.
15, 20 more minutes? You don't even think it needs to go the whole way? 40 minutes? So how long would you say?
About maybe like 30, 35 minutes.
Okay. So we'll do that, and then we'll test one, and then we'll let y'all know. Oh, this is so cute. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, so we have about 15 minutes left, and this already looks so good. Holy crap. How much longer do you think we should go?
Probably about 7 more minutes.
7 more minutes? Let's do it. Okay, you guys, so we have like 10 minutes left on this thing. We're gonna go ahead and stop it. Look at that. Those look so good.
Nice.
Oh, I know they're hot. He can pick anything hot up with his bare hands. He like desensitized his hands because he just touches grease like it's nothing. Oh my God, do y'all hear that? That sounds amazing. Woohoo! And then, since we do have more chicken to cook, we'll go ahead and put the rest of our chicken in. So all together, it probably take us 30 minutes, probably an hour to cook a whole batch of chicken. So
I mean, we cook 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
There's a lot in there.
So probably 24 chicken wings.
24 wings. And believe it or not, with just me and him, we'll eat it. We will eat it. I do want to mention that it comes with this booklet. So they have different recipes in here to get you guys started on what to do. So you can make brownies. I really don't know how to put chimichurri. Oh gosh, chimichurri skirt steak. Is that right?
Chimichurri.
But there's an I right there.
That's chimichurri. Those are.
No, chimichurri skirt steak. I've never heard of that, but that sounds good. What else we have? We have country chicken tenders. We have courgette stuffed with ground meat. I mean, and the list goes on. There's so much to this. Ooh. They have instructions for everything. Everything is written out very, like, you can understand this. It's not going to take that long. You know, it is really, really cool. I love this thing. Thank you, Cup It. Thank you so much. So we just put the rest of them in, And let's see what that chicken looking like. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That was so good. I'm so ready to eat. Y'all have no idea. Okay, so he already smashing. Oh, is it still hot?
Not that bad.
Should've gave me a flat. I'm a flats girl. Write in the comments if you guys are a flats or a drums person. Oh my God, it is so crispy.
Nice and crunchy.
Oh my God, it's hot. Oh, this would be ASMR if that wasn't going. Whoa. You know you did that.
Tastes like you fried them in a pan.
He did that. Oh my gosh. Look at it. That is so good. Oh my God. It's all done. So you guys, every 30 minutes, your chicken should be done in 30 minutes. To us, at least. Every 15 minutes, make sure you spray the Pam on the front part, flip them, spray it on the back, and then let it go for the extra 15 minutes. And boom, y'all. Oh my goodness, this is so good.
Oh wow.
Y'all, that's really good. That is very crunchy. Thank you. Shout out to my dad for like giving us that idea. I had no idea you were supposed to like spray it, you know, Pam or anything like that to make it crunchy. Yeah, way better, way better. Look at that, y'all. Bone is clean. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry that is going because we have other chicken wings to cook. But we appreciate you guys for watching this video. Thank you, my love, for helping me. Appreciate you. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I upload a video. And please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys go get you an air fryer. Like, that's actually, it's way less work. All you have to do is prep. You just have to prep, put it in there, and the air fryer does the rest for you. Spray y'all some Pam, and it's gonna be way more crunchy how you will like your chicken wings. Again, you guys, thank you, Cuppet, so much for sending this air fryer to us. We absolutely love it. It goes exactly with our kitchen. Literally everything is black and rose gold. Rose gold is my favorite. So thank you so much. Again, we appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. And we will see you guys in our next one. Bye.